O Yahuwah, do not rebuke me in your wrath, nor chastise me in your hot displeasure. For your arrows have pierced me, and your hand comes down on me. There is no soundness in my flesh because of your rage, nor peace in my bones because of my sin. For my wickedness have passed over my head, like a heavy burden, too heavy for me. My wounds stink, festering because of my folly. I have been bent down, I've been bowed down very much. All day long I've gone mourning, for my loins have become filled with burning, and there is no soundness in my flesh. I've become weak and greatly crushed. I howled from the groaning of my heart. Yahuwah, all my desire is before you, and my sighing has not been hidden from you. My heart is throbbing, my strength has forsaken me, and the light of my eyes also is not with me. My loved ones and my friends stand back from my plague, and my neighbors stand far away. And those seeking my life lay a snare, and those seeking my evil have spoken of destruction and utter deceit all day long. But I, as one deaf, do not hear, and as a dumb one who does not open his mouth. I am like a man who does not hear, and who has no rebukes in his mouth. For on you, O Yahuwah, I have waited. You do answer, O Yahuwah, my Elohim. For I said, otherwise they would rejoice over me. When my foot slips, they would exalt themselves over me. For I am ready to fall, and my pain is always with me. For I confess my wickedness, I am sorry over my sin. But my enemies are alive. They have become strong, and those hating me falsely are many. And those who repay evil for good, they oppose me, because I've